Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics too. So for performing the experiments related to mixtures, let's discuss in detail about the mixture. So introduction to liquid dosage forms. In that, mixture is monophasic liquid dosage form which is taken internally. A mixture is a liquid preparation meant for oral administration in which medicaments are dissolved or suspended in a suitable vehicle. Classification of mixtures. Mixtures are get classified into following these 5 types. Simple mixture containing soluble substances, mixtures containing diffusible solids, mixtures containing indiffusible solids, mixtures containing potent medicament, and mixture containing slightly soluble liquid. So first class is a simple mixture containing soluble substances. Simple mixture contains only soluble ingredients. Mixture containing diffusible solids. Diffusible solids are the insoluble in water but get evenly distributed on shaking the container throughout the liquid for sufficient time so that when the patient take the medicament by the spoon from container, the medicament is available in the right quantity. Example of diffusible solids are magnesium carbonate. Then third type is a mixture containing indiffusible solids. Indiffusible solids are those solids which are not soluble in water and do not remain uniformly distributed in the vehicle for sufficiently long time. Therefore, to suspended the drug, suspending agents are added. Example of indiffusible solid, acetyl salicylic acid, that is aspirin. Examples of suspending agents: the compound Tragakant powder in the proportion of 2 grams per 100 ml, that is 10 grains per ounce of the mixture. Tragakant mucilage in the proportion of 1/4 of the final volume of the mixture. Compound Tragakant powder is used when the vehicle is other than water or chloroform water, but the Tragakant mucilage is used when the vehicle is water or chloroform water. Mixture containing slightly soluble liquid. The insoluble portions of the slightly soluble liquids is not readily diffusible, so a suspending agent is needed. For an example, compound Tragakant powder or Tragakant mucilage is used. Then fifth one, mixture containing potent medicament. A very small dose is prescribed for a potent medicament which is not directly weighable or weighable. So minimum weighable quantity is used and then required dilutions are carried out to give the prescribed strength of the formulation. Recommended container for mixture: plain glass bottles with the uniform intended internal diameter. Special labeling instructions for mixture with diffusible and indiffusible solids. Shake well before use. So let's move towards experiment. So now let's discuss about the experiment number 11. Title of our today's experiment is to prepare and submit the mixture containing diffusible solids 10 ml. Formulation and method of preparation of mixture containing diffusible solids. Proposition 1 is bismuth carbonate is a diffusible solid. Learning objectives are to understand the formulation and disperse the mixture containing diffusible solids and ability to prepare and submit the prescription accurately. Apparatus required are mortar, pestle, measuring cylinder, muslin cloth, funnel, media, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given, that is equal to 10 upon 30 is equal to 0.33. So now here the prescription is given Rx. So let's discuss in detail about the formula table. Here we will also discuss about this prescription part. So type, that is the use of ingredients. Translation means the name of ingredient. Quantity given in the imperial system, but already the quantities are given in the metric system. So quantity given in the metric system for 30 ml and quantity taken in the metric system for 10 ml. So first is bismuth carbonate, antibacterial and antidiarrheal, which is quantity given is 1 gram. So multiply this with the 0.33, we will get 0.33 gram. Sodium bicarbonate used as a preservative, quantity given 0.7 gram. Multiply it with 0.33, we will get 0.231 gram. Tincture of belladonna used in the Bowel syndrome, quantity given 0.4 ml. Multiply it with the 0.33, we will get 0.132 ml. Purified water used as a vehicle, quantity given is up to 30 ml and taken, that is used up to 10 ml. So direction for this experiment is 1 tablespoonful to be taken before meal. So now let's move for performing of actual experiment in the laboratory. So now let's move for actual performing of experiment in laboratory. So we have this bismuth carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, this is the tincture of belladonna and purified water. So this is already made bismuth carbonate. So first of all we will going to take this in the mortar and pestle for trituration purpose. Then after that we are going to add the sodium bicarbonate in the mortar and pestle, which is the soluble solid, and that's bismuth carbonate is the diffusible solid. So we are going to add the tincture of belladonna into it and triturate it. So after trituration we pour the content in this beaker, and some foreign particles are seen or some solid particles are seen in this, so we will proceed for filtration through this filter paper, which is having same pore size as that of muslin cloth. So now after filtration this filtrate is ready, so now proceed for volume makeup. So after making the volume up to 10 ml in this measuring cylinder, we will going to pour this formulation in this container and proceed for labeling part. Now after filling our formulation in this amber colored bottle, we proceed for label. Label is already prepared. So now see the labeling of formulation. Mixture containing diffusible solids, here is quantity is written, that is 10 ml. For ABC, here is the name of patient is written, register number, XYZ means number in the register, dispensed by PQR, that is the name of pharmacist, and date August 2020, this is the date, manufacturing date. Storage conditions, store in a cool and dark place. Then again one direction, that is shake well before use, and one more direction for use, that is 2 tablespoonful to be taken before meal. As this is an antacid preparation, that's why it should be taken before meal. Manufactured by Element Pharmacy, Nasik. Here one can write the name of industry. So let's proceed for result. So now result of our today's experiment is 10 ml of this mixture containing diffusible solid is submitted in this amber colored plastic bottle for special instruction label as shake well before use. Thank you.